What's good, my royalty family? Back at it again with another video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bells on. Did I lock the door? I think I did. Please tell me I didn't lock the door. Good. So right now, checking on stuff in the daily. Gotta get the chargers. Gotta get my charger. I love these little plug-in, like the actual socket plug-ins in these cars. So I had to put that back on. This one. But y'all see the title on the thumbnail. Today we're gonna be taking the Jeep to do some 0 to 60, 0 to 100. But first, y'all see this? Look at that. From all that driving in my daily hybrid. First order of business is replace this tire. All of them about bald, so might need to replace all 4 of them. Been driving the hell out of that thing from North Carolina to South Carolina to Baltimore. Thing's been sticking around. But now we're gonna go head up over to Joker real quick. Joker the Jeep. And we're gonna get today started. So hopefully y'all enjoy the content. Joker's been sitting for what, 4 days, 3 days now? Man, I love this thing. But hey y'all, we about to go get y'all some content. Get y'all some 0 to 60s and some launches. And stay tuned. All right guys, so I'm gonna do the first 0 to 60. It is a curve up there, but this is probably the closest I can get to not a very busy street. Like I'm looking back and forth. But this is just regular mode. Then I'm gonna show y'all sport. Then I'm gonna show y'all track. But pay attention to that right there. And there's a car coming. There's a Jeep coming. But just came as soon as I start trying to launch it. But I'm gonna try to find another area to do this. This is just it's an apartment complex back here, so like I'm gonna do it again and we're gonna go. Guys, how many seconds y'all think that was? It's hard to find places to do the launch, but let me see. Go ahead and switch it out. Let's go back. This does have the lower performance page. Okay, performance. Current's best is 5.3 seconds, 0 to 60. Yeah, I could have went down there, but 5.3 seconds. So we're gonna see if we can beat that. I wonder the last person what it took to get to 5.3 seconds. But I'm gonna cut this camera back on. Nah, I'm gonna just keep recording, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and bust this U-turn. So I'm gonna give y'all the full video. Doesn't matter. It's a tunnel right here, but it don't have no exhaust on it, so I'm like, it's not really gonna do it no justice. But I'm trying to 0 to 60's best is 5.3. We're gonna try to see if we can beat that today. I'm not sure if that was the 5.3 of what I just did or the 5.3 from someone else actually doing it. So I'm gonna cut the camera off and cut it back on when I get to another area to do the launch. All right, guys, so we back. So that was the regular mode. So we're gonna put it in sport so y'all can see sport mode. Hopefully no cars is coming, but let's see what sport mode do. Build it up. .1, guys, in sport mode. 5.1 in sports mode. Sport mode, activate. Y'all see it, 5.1. Wait, 5.1, 0 to 60, sport mode. Then we're gonna do track, and we're gonna get from over here for people start complaining. Hopefully y'all enjoying this video. I'm enjoying it. I always enjoy driving these cars. I know a lot of people enjoy watching these cars, driving these cars as well. So we still in sport right now, but you know when that track mode get activated, it turn that traction off. So I don't know if it's gonna spin or not. We're gonna be swift with it. We ain't gonna be over here too long. I just wanted to drop a quick video for y'all, but don't really mess with the paddle shifters as much like I would do, but definitely gonna start doing that as well. There's always a car coming as soon as I get right here. But no cars coming. We're gonna go in track. Y'all see it, SRT track. No cars coming. No traction. No traction. So best is 5.1. Let's see if we can beat that with the track mode. Gonna wind it up. Oh, it's getting RPM fast in track. .2 in track mode. 5.2 in track mode. So we're gonna go ahead. I know that just wasted a lot of gas. A lot of gas doing that. There's a car coming. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's get up out of here. But guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. I love doing these type of videos where it's just POV of 0 to 60, 0 to 100. When I find the actual area to do a 0 to 100, I will do that video. Right now, it's hard to find a place. No matter how many warehouses in this area, it is hard to find. Definitely gonna do next time some outside views, but first I gotta find a designated area in Mexico to do this stuff. So hopefully the people who drive these type of cars, these 6.4s, 6.2s, 5.7s, muscle cars, powerful cars, you were messing around with your launch controls and seeing how good you can do. far as like 0 to 60, 0 to 100, and enjoy the car. Use it for what it's worth. Performance, not gas. Like I said, today was my quickest was 5.1 seconds in sports mode, then 5.2 in track mode. Traction was off. I'm not sure if we spun, but you know these things usually catch grip really fast because these big performance tires. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. But supporting is free 99. It don't cost you a dime. And I will catch y'all in the next video.